Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So let's get started. And this airplane also flies really good. So fold it. And now that you did that, you open it back up. And you should see a little line right here. You fold it like this. You stop at the line. And then you're gonna do this. And there was, and so you can do it. You have to do it on the other side, like that. And you even have to stop at the line. And now that you did that, we're gonna do this. And you can fold it again. And should look like this. And we're just gonna do it the same thing on the other side. Make sure you're doing it right, because it's hard to make. And you're gonna do it again, like on the other side. And now that you did that, you should have a shape like this. And now you fold it again like this, put them together, and you do this, and make it like this, and it should look like this. Your airplane is now done, and it flies good. Alright, guys, now we're gonna show you how far it goes. Now I'll show you.